everything can be changed, everything can be learned, everything can be done if you really want to do something.
As a founder, it is not that whatever you know is sufficient. You have to keep learning. You have to read a lot, you have to experiment a lot, and you have to debate yourself to get to the point, and all for making your product, your business perfect. Great ambition for being one of the best in vitro diagnostic company of the world, then you have to have the best team. And you can't get the best team overnight. You have to build a team. You have to really curate. You have to get the people who are like minded, who have the same ethos, who believe in the same principle, and they are also equally keen to learn as you are, and they are ready to give everything to make your product, to make the business run, and at the same time they are evolving and becoming leader by each day.
फिर भी वो सेल्फ डाउट कभी तो आता होगा व्हेन यू सी पीपल इतना फंड रेज कर लिए, इतने दे आर यू नो लाइक ऑल ओवर द सोशल
A
मीडिया.
superiority complex.
We actually
हम ठीक है.
self-doubt, very frankly, irony. Look, man, there is no plan B. There is no plan C. It is plan A dash or A double dash. I don't know. If plan A doesn't work, I'll go to A double dash with a slight modification. This is exactly what is going to happen, and this is exactly what I'm going to do till I am able to do anything in life.
Hi everyone, welcome to Mind Over Minerals. And in this podcast, we had a very interesting conversation with the founders of Prante Solutions, Sumona and Asim. They met each other while doing their PhD, fell in love, married, and now they are building this healthcare company which is making early diagnosis simple and hassle free. What stood out during this conversation was their deep sense of purpose and their abiding belief in that purpose and in themselves, and how magically things do align for you, even if they do seem to be falling apart. This was the takeaway from this story that we heard, and I'm sure that you would also find it equally inspiring and magical. Hi, Sumona and Asim. So, welcome to our podcast, Mind Over Minerals. I was going through your journey, like journeys of doing PhD and then doing business, bringing healthcare solutions. And one thing which I saw common was that, the element of science, right? And I think off camera also, we were talking that you love science. So I am very curious because in this day and age, generally, loving science or working around it, innovating using that is something not very common. So why the pursuit of science, first of all?
Science is basically not we love because of Prante or for the entrepreneurship we had. We love science from the beginning itself, and it's just like the curiosity. Every child have their own set of likings and disliking. As a child, we used to like science, and we find that there are many questions that can be addressed with science, and later on we realize that there are many problems in the world that actually can be addressed by using the knowledge that the science provide and using it for the betterment of the society. And that is why we want to integrate, and we love science, and we want to include it in every part of it, and actually all of us are doing it knowingly or unknowingly, that thing.
So for me, science is comfort, because science, I feel, is very deterministic. That means it is something which goes by absolute logic, okay, and therefore predictable to some extent. And since it is predictable, and if some chaos is there, it simply means that you haven't understood the path. And that's what makes me as a person very curious in pursuit of science, that if this is supposed to happen, then it must happen. It has to follow a set of logical rules, steps. So and if I haven't understood them, then that is something I should try. That's the pursuit that I have. And of
Absolutely.
course, there's always a angle that that's I we feel that that's one way that we can change the society for the good.
So changing society, being curious, asking questions, using it to solve problems, right? And I think from that little seed of loving science, you were able to make a business out of it, right? Where you started Prante. So take me back to the seed, because you have done, both of you have done your PhDs, and there was a choice. You could have taken an academic career, but you decided to pursue a business and create Prante. So what was it like? Why you were thinking to create a business? What was, how it did originate?
As a science enthusiast, we always wanted to do research, being in academia, uh, being in a very nice lab and doing our work over there, publishing things, making breakthrough research. Uh, Business was nowhere in the plan while doing the PhD, but as he said, we might not have been able to understand, but everything is planned, and it is sequential, and might be God is having a different plan. So while having our pregnancy, so we faced a high risk pregnancy at that time, which is called as preeclampsia, and we didn't know about the preeclampsia or a high risk pregnancy at that time. But it led to my daughter born very premature at a birth weight of 960 grams, and she was in an ICU for 45 days. And after that, we could bring her home, and we realized that the things that can could have been done if early diagnosis would have been there, my daughter would not have been in an ICU for 45 days. We would not have been struggling for to get her back at home. And it was not just us. There are so many mothers and parents are over there. They are facing this. While we started doing the journey, we started learning what is the scenario of preeclampsia across the world. We realized that every year 10 million women is facing this problem. So at that time we realized, or we thought, we should do something in this direction, and that led to the seed of doing something. And it took us, of course, around 5 years to materialize the thing, to strongly inculcate that belief in us ki we should do something in that line, forgetting about our long time aspiration to be in academia or be in research. We should take this path because the God has been very kind to us. We could save our daughter. uh, the God being kind to us, we could learn so many technologies throughout the year during our education, uh, during our PhD. And the God has made a provision that we could utilize it constructively, so that we can help many parents through this endeavor. So that is when we thought of doing something on that line. And in 2015 we started it by registering the company Prante, and then that's how it all started.
And then one thing followed after the other,
Hmm.
the usual entrepreneurial journey. My take on this would be like our philosophy says the best thing God can give a man is a purpose. And somehow this became a purpose.
Mm-hmm.
And fortunately, he had already given us the skills. And so, why not have a purpose where that brings about, a difference to others' lives? Of course, our lives are, blessed, but there are so many other lives who would probably be best if our skills could be put to right use.
Wow, interesting. So, मतलब एक personal tragedy, है ना, where you had a preterm baby, and that led you to, I think, a lot of questions would have been ki why this, and then, like you were sharing, you discovered ki this is a much bigger problem,
Yeah.
and then that sense of having a purpose and doing something, contributing and solving a problem. So, tell me, what exactly does Prante do? What problem is it solving, and how is it solving?
So, Prante is a medtech company focusing primarily on in vitro diagnostics technologies. Okay. And what I mean by that is how you can use signals from the body, like, your sweat, your saliva, your blood, your urine, to detect diseases. Now, as such, you would say there's nothing fancy, everything is already being done. I don't deny that things are being done. But what the current diagnostic technology misses is preventive care. And what that means is that can I detect the signals of the health going wrong at a very, very early stage? Okay.
Mhm.
And this is that exact segment that we are trying to cater. What it means technologically is that can I make tests or assays and devices that can measure those slightest amounts of those biomolecules which are indicated when your health is going wrong, even in the very early stages. Of course, late stage confirmatory diagnostic
Okay,
is
I'll
already there.
interrupt you a little bit because you are very technical. I know you are PhD guys and it's sounding very technical. थोड़ा layman terms में बताइए. Say for example, मेरी life में what can Prante do for say a person like me?
Okay, so we'll just give the example
Hmm.
of the product ProFlow, which
Hmm.
is one of our flagship products,
Hmm.
and it detects a biomarker called as protein in the urine.
Okay.
Okay. Now, protein in the urine is indicator for two primary disorders. One is, kidney related disorders, and the other is preeclampsia. As Subhana already said, preeclampsia was the theme or was the
So
reason why we
preeclampsia
started.
means like the high blood pressure
High risk pregnancy.
जो high blood BP
High,
develop हो जाता है in a pregnant woman and
right.
that exposes her to premature babies,
Right.
right?
So what happens is high blood pressure stresses the kidney,
Mhm.
and the kidney now starts leaking out protein from the blood into
Okay.
the urine.
Okay.
Okay. So typical diagnosis is जब protein आपका 2+3+ range में हो जाता है, the doctor will declare it as preeclampsia has set in.
Okay.
Now, of course, that would not have happened overnight, right?
Hmm.
It would have been couple of days or weeks before the signs would have appeared,
Hmm.
and we never knew. So, can we look at those signs and measure them accurately when the disease would have started, rather than now confirming that preeclampsia has set in?
Okay.
Similarly, in cases of diabetes and hypertension, which directly affects the kidneys,
Mhm.
so and which actually is the health hazard.
Hmm.
Diabetes itself is not a health hazard,
Mhm.
or hypertension is itself not a health hazard.
Mhm.
Its effect on the other organs is the health hazard.
Mhm.
So in this case, kidney.
Mhm.
So once the kidney has already gone to a late stage of damage, there's very little chance of recovery. Can we have tests which detects it in the very, very early stages, so that I know that I have early signs of kidney damage? Because this is the phase where I actually can change my therapy that I am taking or my lifestyle and take a little care of myself and not go into towards the late stage of the disease.
Wow, and that's why it's preventing. Like before the disease comes in,
Yes.
उससे पहले ही I have a sense, the doctor will have a sense कि
Sense?
you are heading in this direction, so you
Correct.
can take corrective actions. Okay, but this is a flipping the paradigm, existing paradigm जो है हमारी treatment या medical उसमें देखें, थोड़ा उसको flip कर रहा है. और आई एम श्योर आपको ये बहुत चैलेंजिंग रहा होगा लाइक हाउ आर यू कन्विंसिंग योर क्लाइंट्स और कस्टमर्स दैट दिस इज अ प्रिवेंटिव थिंग बिकॉज दे वुड बी आस्किंग नो दिस इज नॉट हाउ इट इज डन लेट्स डू व्हाट हैज बीन डन सो हाउ हैज दैट जर्नी बिन
No, actually it is not. So basically अगर हम देखें तो जैसे किसी को भी जैसे आपने जस्ट पहले पूछा कि हाउ इट इज मतलब any product that Plante makes, how it is going to impact your life. So do you know, do you have any kidney problem or not? No, you don't know.
नो
अच्छा, अभी अगर हम बोले तो देर आर वी गूगल एंड वी फाइंड दैट यूरिन में फ्रॉथ स्वेलिंग थोड़ा लेजी लग रहा है वो तो ऐसे भी लगता है सो हाउ विल यू नो सो आपको श्योर करने के लिए देर आर टेस्ट जो हम नहीं लेते हैं अनलेस एंड अनटिल हमें लगता है कि बहुत ज़रूरी है कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया है बॉडी में ये जो अर्ली डायग्नोसिस है डिफरेंट फॉर्म में फॉर डिफरेंट डिजीजेस देयर आर देयर
ओके
आइदर इट इज लाइक इट इज सेंट्रलाइज लेबोरेटरी फैसिलिटी में है इसलिए हमको टाइम निकाल के जाना पड़ेगा करना पड़ेगा एंड वी नहीं छोड़ो यू सी जैसे अभी डायबिटीज का है द टाइम फ्रॉम व्हेन द ग्लूकोमीटर हैज बिकम कॉमन the detection of diabetes, the management of diabetes has improved a lot because you have a tool to determine whether you have a diabetes. If you have a diabetes, how to manage it. Similarly, for other disorders also, if you have something which you can use at your convenience, then you can do the diagnosis and monitoring. So, Prante का basic idea वही है कि getting the products into a very usable form, very user friendly form to get the early diagnosis done. One example is kidney, लेकिन there are other examples also जिसको हम primary health care at home at clinic लाना चाहते हैं, so that there should not be any delay in the diagnosis just because it was not convenient, it was not present in when I am free, the diagnosis is not available to me. Should not need to call a guy to collect my sample and take it and give me the report, because these things lead to delays. So Prante is trying to make those things available in a very convenient way. And uh, it is not something, the early diagnosis never existed and we are bringing in the early diagnosis. Early diagnosis was there, it was not conveniently available.
Okay.
So we are trying to get it conveniently at the last mile in a very easy way, so that anybody anywhere can get their test done and get to know before it is too late.
Okay, so you are making it very hassle free basically, है ना, कि early diagnosis is no longer out of the reach, it is convenient and it rather makes sense कि पहले ही अगर आपको पता चल जाए कि this disease is sort of developing, so you can take corrective actions for that. Okay,
Right.
but coming to the business part of it, business is never hassle free or convenient, right? So when I see both of you smiling, so what would you say कि ये business journey पे, entrepreneurial journey पे, what are some of the challenges that you have faced?
See, in the different phases of business, till now the way we reached, we face different kind of problem. So when we started, as we are coming from a background of a very sophisticated state of the art lab, so we always take the problem and try to solve it in a very accurate but in a very complex way. So first challenge for us is to unlearn those things,
Mm-hmm.
make the solution as simple as possible. Otherwise, you need to, along with your diagnostic, you need to provide a PhD person also to operate it. So, in fact, our first product that we developed, it was sensing the microRNA.
Mhm.
So, it is a very small genetic material which is very liable for degradation, and you need to operate in a very sophisticated way to measure it, and it is present in a very small amount. So we developed it, validated it, worked, but we realized
Also
who can
patented.
operate?
Also
We have a patent on that, but who can operate it? Then we also have to go to the field and do the test. So but that was the learning when we finished that product, and we thought that what is the next step, and then we realized ki no, if what was our mission is to impact the life at the last mile, is not possible with such kind of a complex solution. And from there we started
yeah, so that was, I think, unlearning the way science is done from an academic perspective to product design, product development, and then focusing obsessively on the ease of use of the customer or the person who is going to operate it. And that has been, and of course I would add one more philosophy is medical devices should look attractive. That was again one more philosophy that we did not compromise on. And it has been very challenging to make a medical device product look good, okay, and yet at the same time being able to manufacture, and yet it works fantastically.
Yeah, accuracy is very important, because at the end it is the accuracy, the diagnostic capability, which will address the primary agenda of it. So that was in the core, but beside that you have to make it very simple as well as attractive, so that whenever someone is using this, the healthcare should not be depressive. It should be like something I really try endorse it. It should look very trendy.
Yeah.
So we always work with the color, with the design. We put so much of time into it, so that the product should look attractive. It should not be anybody using it feeling, yes, I am sick or I am ill, मैं तो बीमार हूँ. It's those monotonous gray and blue color and a square boxes should not be there.
Wow. So I think I can relate so much to what you're saying, because I think in Ocular में हमारी philosophy यही है कि simple solutions is what is the need of the hour. We don't need very hi-fi things. We need to make it work and give value to our customer. है ना. And what you were saying कि अगर मेरे को because typically in a medical setup we want to run away. डॉक्टर के पास तो जाना ही नहीं है. एंड अगर प्री उसमें लाइक अर्ली स्क्रीनिंग में बात हो तो सबसे पहले डर यही होगा, मेरे को तो पक्का एक बीमारी होने वाली है, सो भी चेक ही नहीं करते. सो यू नो लाइक द
Mental
प्रोडक्ट
conditioning is very important.
very. And ये जो like the conditioning of how we are taught to do science, right? Or even in business also, I keep telling my team कि you know jargon free रखते हैं, I don't understand jargons, let's keep it simple, let's keep it simple, let's keep it laymanish,
Yeah.
because that is what get the results, right? And you are I am so happy to see that both of you are also saying the same language. But invention एक चीज है, you know, कि you invented. But I think to make a business out of
Yes.
it is an entire thing. So what is that journey like?
Yeah, that was the first point that we made. Ki we have to unlearn. So that from there the business starts.
The learning starts.
So what has been the learning?
Tremendous.
Hmm.
I think I would say building Prante has been enlightening. Okay. It taught us a lot of things like how
Team building.
to team building. And first, I would think the primary thing was how to train your brain to be free of bias, free of assumptions. Okay. And I think that has not only helped building Prante, but also us as people, as a human being, it's made us so relaxed. Okay. Don't judge things, don't judge people, don't take anything at face
So
value.
कौन सा bias टूटा? Because I relate so much to this point.
So many.
Tell me few of those.
I can't even I can't give you a list of how many. So, and that breaking of those
Top
cognitive
3
bias.
tell me. What are the top 3 assumptions जो आपने बनाई और लगा कि ये
एक
तो
वो
है ही
एक
नहीं?
है, उसे बोलते हैं swimmer's body illusion. That means he has this, that's why he is able to do this. Okay. So those guys, now we know, now you want to do something and then you will be able to do it. Okay. It's not contingent to situation, environment, capability. Everything is can be changed if you want to do something. Okay.
Say
Difficult.
that again. It's so powerful what you're saying. Say that again.
So everything can be changed, everything can be learned, everything can be done if you really want to do something.
Wow. Very powerful.
So a simple example, like at one point when we were moving from R&D to building the analyzer device, okay, which would test. So till the R&D, making the nanosensors, making the test joint capabilities, it was like this. We just did it like this, and the test worked wonderfully. 7 years ago it used to work wonderfully, but then we need an analyzer device which could go along with the test, and that needs to measure accurately. Okay. And it was a purely electronics and mechanical thing, right? Mechanical science. None of us are trained in that. Those were the days I would like spend nights understanding how plastic is molded, why plastic can be molded, what is the electronics, what is the circuit, why should the resistor design be this, why should be what IC we should use. None of those we were trained earlier. Like we just had to read, learn, and ended up with the team. Of course I can read, I can understand concept, but then I need team who is going to really do it right physically. We ended up building the world's most compact analyzer till date.
Oh, wow.
Which can measure it so sensitively.
Yeah. So we can say that the analyzer that we have is the world's smallest fluorescent calm absorption spectrophotometer. Okay. So the second learning is that as a founder, it is not that whatever you know is sufficient. You have to keep learning. You have to read a lot. You have to experiment a lot, and you have to debate yourself to get to the point, and all for making your product, your business perfect or near perfect. So it is not like that ki we have done our PhD, we know so much, we need not to learn anything more. Even in the product development phase, business ka to chhod do, even in the product development phase there is so much to learn. So the second thing after unlearning is learn more. There are so many aspects of the product where you don't have the expertise. Accept that you don't have the expertise, start learning it, try to discuss with the team who knows a little bit, or try get in touch with the mentors, since we are being from the academia. So there are so many scientists over in India and abroad whom we are in touch. So anywhere we have a doubt, we ask them, and they are gracious enough to they help us to advise us what should not be done and what should be done. So all those things helped us in our initial phase to design and to get the things done in the domain where we didn't have our expertise. So the second point was to uh, increase your expertise in whatever way that can make your product better, that can make your business better. The third thing what we learned was the team building,
Hmm.
because without team you are nothing,
Hmm.
right? So you can get patents, you can publish your research, you might get a one or a single product made, but if you want to if you have a vision of a long term business, uh, a great ambition for being one of the best in vitro diagnostic company of the world, then you have to have the best team, and you can't get the best team overnight. You have to build the team.
Hmm.
You have to really curate. You have to get the people who are like minded, who have the same ethos, who believe in the same principle, and they are also equally keen to learn as you are, and they are ready to give everything to make your product, to make the business run, and at the same time they're evolving and becoming leader by each day.
सो टीम बिल्डिंग में कोई assumption टूटी हो या कोई bias था लगा कि ये
टूटी
नहीं
थी हमारा जैसे इनिशियल फेसेस में वी थॉट, मैंने व्हाट वाज आवर assumption कि someone experienced, someone with a fancy degree will be a better suit person. They will able to deliver fast, they will be able to understand, and they will help in making the team more
stronger,
stronger
or they will
stronger.
deliver from day one. हमें एक
Hmm.
time to autonomy जो
Hmm.
होगा बहुत छोटा होगा,
Hmm.
and their output will be much higher.
expected leadership out of them.
Hmm.
और जो मतलब फ्रेशर्स हैं या लिटिल एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, तो उनसे था कि दे विल नीड अ लॉट ऑफ कोचिंग, एंड दे माइट नॉट इवॉल्व एज अ लीडर बिकॉज दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम सच अ बैकग्राउंड, मे बी फ्रॉम अ वेरी स्मॉल सिटी और मे बी फ्रॉम स्मॉल कॉलेजेस. But that assumption was completely wrong.
Hmm.
The people from big institutes with a big degree actually disappointed us, and those people who came from a very remote area,
Very humble backgrounds.
humble background,
Uh,
they were amazing. They maybe when they joined us, they were not they didn't have that much of expertise, but they gave the time, they learned, and now we can say they really improved a lot. And we are really happy about it,
so
because in the team, if someone is growing, because Prante is just a family. So the team members are our family members. If they are growing and you can see the progress, it makes you the most happy.
Wow. I think we can also relate so much कि like we make assumptions कि ये बड़ा brand से है या बड़ी degrees हैं, so they'll come and do some magic, but it is not actually like that. You also, along with building the business, you have to very actively build the team, and that is what we also endeavor to. So Asim, I want to ask you, off camera we were talking कि challenges में, sales and marketing is your, like in the business side, that is the challenge. So what exactly is that challenge?
okay, again, set assumptions,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and were a challenge that this is how things happen, because what happens is in entrepreneurial journey, whenever you are at a new stage, you always find a lot of people who come and are happy to advise you about everything, okay, and while they do it with all the good intent, strategy that will work for me is probably a novel strategy. Okay, not, I will not say strategy point of view, but the tactical, the things that need to happen every day. And that, no matter what, a person who is running the show from within the organization would always know it better than anybody, even the best of the experts sitting outside, unless they have run the same path. So many of those assumptions we started with, they are beginning to break, and then we are course correcting in the sense that we come, oh no, what we thought is actually right, and then you start implementing. Fortunately for us, again, there were a couple of senior entrepreneurs who were again, scientists who turned into entrepreneurship, and they have built a reasonable credibility in the field. uh, they have been very happy to offer their advice. So again, on entrepreneurship, nobody really just tells you the solution. Okay, everybody has their way, and anybody who is a good entrepreneur would only say, see, man, I did this because this was what was happening to us. I really don't know what is really happening to you. So from my perspective, this is what we have done. See if this is helpful to you. And this small pieces of suggestion from many of these people have actually helped us navigate without any major misdecision.
Okay. And I think you talked about a lot of advice and suggestions, but I think entrepreneur journey is still very lonely with more of naysayers, है ना? कि मत करो, क्यों कर रहे हो, रिस्क है, फेल हो जाओगे, किसी ने किया नहीं है, all of that. So are there times when you felt कि यार क्यों ही कर रहे हैं हम लोग, छोड़ देते हैं, और
ये तो
feeling
सब entrepreneur की life की
Yeah,
कहानी है.
yeah, that's
Beginning is like that.
beginning is like that, and I think it'll continue to happen throughout your journey till you make it big, because uh, even when you make it big, there will be someone bigger than you,
Correct.
and that
And
bigger.
what is big? We
What
only
is
keep
big?
this benchmarks कि this is
Yeah.
big and this is not big.
Right.
But in term you can see अभी जो ecosystem built हो रहा है, जब हम फंड रेस कर रहे थे, हम उसके थ्रू जा रहे थे, I was talking to ज्ञान, so he was sharing his journey कि आप लोगों ने कैसे रेस किया. Similarly there are other friends. So जब आपको डिफिकल्टी होती है, तो those who are in your field only can give you the right suggestion.
Right.
If I ask someone from my family who are not into the business, how can they give me the right suggestion, or can tell me, yes, it is like that, it's okay, it happens, because they have not been through this. They might hear it from the social media that someone is getting $2 million, $5 million, $10 million, and why you are not getting, you are doing something wrong with.
But फिर भी वो self doubt कभी तो आता होगा when you see people इतना fund raise कर लिए, इतने they are like all over the social
A
media.
superiority complex.
We actually
हम ठीक है.
self doubt, very frankly, irony.
Okay.
Okay, because I told you that one instance with my friend, when he asked me, a very 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 good friend, he asked me, "Kya plan? What is your plan B? You are taking a risk," and this was where I was actually moving out from academia and already spent a year here, and those early stages, you're always cash strapped, lot to do, and like, what is your plan B? What if it doesn't work? And I remember very clearly, we were sitting in Mayfair, having tea, and I said, "Look, man, there is no plan B. There is no plan C. It is plan A dash, or A double dash. I don't know. If plan A doesn't work, I'll go to A double dash with a slight modification. But this is exactly what is going to happen, and this is exactly what I'm going to do till I am able to do anything in life." So this something was very very
But
clear
ये
again.
clarity का क्या? What is the secret of this conviction and the clarity? Because you've been here 10, 11 years आप कर रहे हो, and उससे पहले भी इतनी लंबी journey, PhD की, फिर अभी business कर रहे हो, and
we are enjoying every part
you're
of it.
enjoying. So
Every part of it.
what is that little secret you guys have कि you're happy, cool, enjoying, हो जाएगा?
Probably I think the only secret I can think of, every day throws a new challenge, and it is a part of our personality कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है.
हाँ, मतलब
ये प्रॉब्लम कैसे हम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते.
हम नहीं कर पाएंगे तो कौन कर पाएगा?
It's kind of that self obsession to some extent.
Oh my
We
God.
can't solve this problem. How that can possible?
Yeah, I think all founders have this a little seed of craziness कि उनको लगता है कि हाँ हम तो solve
हम
कर ही
तो
देंगे,
सही तौर पर
हम तो बहुत
Well, I think that bit of narcissism which you say, which sometimes वो humility में थोड़ा wrap up हो जाता
But we
है.
need this kind of narcissism in the world. सबके पास अगर हो तो कितना अच्छा है कि हम तो solve कर ही देंगे, हम इसलिए बैठे हुए हैं. Okay, but typically क्या challenge, सबसे बड़ा challenge आपने कभी ऐसा बहुत लगा हो कि यार this is something बहुत मुश्किल है, ये कैसे करेंगे इसको?
So challenge हमारे लाइफ में हमेशा तब आया है when we have depended on somebody. Okay, to take us through, assuming that person is an expert and the person is going to take us through. So that is 10 years, every time we have done that, we have been into trouble. and every time we took the reins in our own hand कि हमें पता नहीं कैसे होगा but हमें ही करना है. It has worked out.
I think this belief is something which I see a common in a lot कि पता नहीं कैसे होगा पर एक एक कदम लेके चलते चलते हैं
हाँ.
एंड कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ हो ही
कुछ
जाएगा.
Exactly. मतलब मुझे जो लगता है, हैव योर ट्रस्ट इन गॉड, आपका कन्विक्शन होना चाहिए, परसिस्टेंस होना चाहिए, कुछ भी इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है. डिफिकल्टीज आएंगे, चैलेंजेस आएंगे, इट माइट लुक लाइक कि अगले दिन के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं है, बट देयर समथिंग विल हैपन. इनफैक्ट हमारा एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल हमारे केस में जो हुआ था, जब कोविड आया था. सो कोविड आया नहीं था, उससे पहले ही हमारा रनवे पूरा खत्म हो गया था, बट वी हैड ओनली breathing period of 2 to 3 months and we didn't know what to do, और all of a sudden covid आ गया. तो अब तो खत्म ही समझ लो. and तभी all of a sudden one of my friend called me, मतलब PhD friend. तो he said, सुमोना, अभी जो कोविड आ गया है, you guys have expertise in nano sensors, why don't you make something in the for the covid diagnostics. I said कि यार सब लॉकडाउन बनाएंगे कहाँ से, एंड यू नीड टू हैव केमिकल्स, मैजिक तो नहीं है, साइंस है, यू नीड रिएजेंट्स, देन ओनली यू कैन मेक इट.
और हम दिल्ली, मुंबई, बैंगलोर में तो नहीं है, हम उड़ीसा में है, भुवनेश्वर में है.
Right.
सो ही सेड कि यू गिव मी अ लिस्ट, तुझे क्या चाहिए. एंड मैंने कहा ठीक है दे देती हूँ. मैंने लिस्ट बना के दे दिया. विद इन 2 days, लॉकडाउन के बीच में उसने सारा सामान मेरे पास भिजवाया. ही इज फ्रॉम मर्क सिग्मा, एक बहुत बड़ा रिएजेंट कंपनी है, वहाँ का है. तो इससे पहले हम जब सिग्मा का सामान मंगवाते थे, हमको 6 महीने लगता था डिलीवरी होने में. तो ही मे इंश्योर एंड वी गॉट द थिंग्स इन 2 months. So Pankaj
2
made
days,
it
हाँ.
2 days. Pankaj made it possible that we got it 2 days. हमको वो IDCO से permission लेना था. We got the permission to come for this diagnostic development. Within a 1 month, we developed the diagnostic. ICMR में भेजा. ICMR validate हो गया, approve हो गया. That was the beginning. वो जो approve हुआ, we got so many grants from the government, जो 3 महीने के बाद रनवे नहीं था. उसके बाद हम इतने इंश्योर हो गए कि कम से कम 2-2.5 साल तो चल ही जाएगा, उसके बीच में हम और कुछ कर लेंगे. सो एंड दैट लेड टू मेक अस 2 more products which again got ICMR validation. सो इससे क्या होता है कि आपका जैसे मोरल डाउन हो जा रहा था, अब क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, तो गॉड हैज़ अ प्लान कि अगर आप सिंसियर हो, आप कर रहे हो, आपको पता है क्या करना है, ऑनेस्टली कर रहे हो, ही अरेंज द थिंग्स फॉर यू. हाँ, आपको अपना हार्डवर्क रखना है, आपको काम करना है, बट दिस इज नॉट कि कल क्या होगा वो सोच सोच के परेशान होना है. कल जो होगा उसके लिए आज से तैयारी करो, नहीं हुआ तो और कुछ ना कुछ आपके लिए अच्छा है.
Wow. So that means the purpose and the belief in yourself, है ना, and the divine faith also. All of these
Yeah, मतलब
divine sees कि भाई
see,
ये
at the
अच्छा कर
end
रहे
of the day,
हैं.
a magic happens.
हाँ,
Yeah.
And magic,
It does.
and how it will happen, where it will happen, you
Hmm.
can't predict.
Hmm.
It is out of logic.
Hmm.
But magic happens.
Hmm.
And अगर आप retrospectively देखोगे,
Hmm.
वो magic का भी एक logic है.
Right.
Now this particular event that Sumona said,
Hmm.
incidentally just about a year ago, okay, so Pankaj, the last we had met was when we were in ICGB finishing our PhD postdocs, just leaving out. उसके बाद से till this time we had literally no connection. So Pankaj had come for a conference, okay, where
we took him
to see
our
our lab, and we showed him कि हम ऐसा nano particles बनाते हैं. Which again incidentally has a story. A year ago,
IIT
the
Delhi
IIT
professor.
Delhi professor had asked us, can you make these nanoparticles I need? And we had made these nanoparticles for him, which eventually, he did not take it from us. We sent him some samples he used, but then it eventually did not convert into a business. So that, became the event correlated to Pankaj, and then Pankaj knowing this, and then, so हर कड़ी
Hmm.
जुड़ी होती है अगर आप retrospectively देखो.
Hmm.
But if you haven't put the efforts, तो कड़ी जुड़ेगी किसके साथ आगे?
Connect the dots.
You have
In
to
retrospect, they connect.
In
Yeah.
retrospect, everything connects.
Hmm. Yeah, and magic. I also keep talking to my team, believe in magic, and they're like, they look at my face, what is she saying? But actually, it is like that. I think the entrepreneurial journey is having that ups and downs, but there is always that element of some discovery happening, something you discover, and wow, suddenly there is a euphoric feeling. I want to also know about your journey of raising fund, because I think that is its own story and struggle. So, how has that been, and what are the learnings from that?
So, nice question. So, we have raised funds in two ways primarily with the last 10 years. One was in the early phases grants, okay, and various kinds of work orders which were kind of supporting the product development. So that was somehow again, if the early stages when we were applying for our earliest grants, we would write to 10 grant proposals, and out of them two would call for a presentation. One might work or one even might not work, and then again 6 months later you again write for every proposal. So that had become a part of our habit, that if there is a proposal out, you apply and you go to the process. And that ways we actually managed to get a reasonable amount of funds to be able to complete our product development without needing to raise any kind of equity funding. Okay. And sustained for 10 years. In the process, we had also developed capabilities to develop bespoke medical devices, okay, which kind of also added as a source of revenue for many of the projects we did for academicians and doctors, where we developed certain specific products for them. That kind of took us all the way until the product was ready, CDSCO approved. And then we realized, if you want to enter to the market, the JTM phase, that is where you need a bigger amount of money to be available to you to be able to navigate those uncertainties. And as per the plan, that was when we started going into the equity investment. The equity investment happened to be a completely different ballgame. Okay. And I would again say it took us roughly 2 years to conclude this equity investment. But out of these 2 years, the first year we actually lost, because again we were going with certain set assumptions. Okay. And when we were going with the certain set assumptions, uh, we were probably not reaching the right audience, or I don't know, maybe our messaging was not correct, but there was always a kind of not really working out. And of course, in India, equity investment for medical device products is slightly strapped, little lesser when it's a deep tech. Okay. But despite that, but then during the whole process, sometime it so happened that there were three groups who were interested to infuse the equity investment, and finally the Indian Angel Network invested in us through two of their funds.
Okay.
And it has gone reasonably well after the investment came in. A good set of mentors, good set of leads, we have been there, and um, it's been pretty good and helpful experience. In fact, uh, while we were talking off the camera about naysayers mostly, I would say after the investment happened, the group of leads and the investors we have, they have been so supportive and so positive about what we are doing and how we are doing, sometimes more than us. Okay.
That's yeah.
And that adds
A confidence.
ton of confidence that okay, the people believe you,
Hmm.
so I think you should accelerate now.
And another important thing that I feel might have been important during this investment thing is that when we started, and it took us around 2 years, and from the point of starting until we get the funding, we showed the progress. It was not like that we are just chasing the fund. We have been able to show that there are certain milestones in the progress that we are achieving, whether we are getting the fund or not. It is not that the 0 day what we propose, we are still standing there and waiting for your money. It is not that our business will only run if you give money, otherwise we would have put a lock on it. We are doing our bit.
Yeah.
If you infuse money, it will help us to accelerate the thing. So that might have, I feel, that might have infused some degree of confidence in the investors, that actually they are trying to make it happen, and the progress shows that there is a potential. It is not that the founders are just there to get the equity funding and enjoy the life. They are putting their effort when, even when they are money starved. So that, I think, might also put some sort of belief on us.
Yeah, yeah, as you said correctly. So our progress was kind of decoupled from the investment. Okay, so investment, we knew it'll happen. When, again, as I said, we don't know when and how, but then the progress went on.
We made sure to whatever it takes, we'll get the money and get the thing going. It's whatever we had, we sold off everything, we borrowed money and we put it over there. We never One thing we ensured, whatever be the difficulty, we should not hold the salary of our people because they are dependent on us. So that we ensured. uh, we decided amongst ourselves, if it is like that we are run out of money and we have only 2 months salary left or 2 month runway left, we will inform our people, and that's way we will go ahead. And we ensured it, and by God grace, before that 2 months came,
But
we
you
got
were
investment.
facing that kind of a situation.
Yeah.
We sold everything what we had.
They sold everything.
Everything.
And you're laughing. Oh my God.
I am.
You sold everything. Laughing.
ना अच्छा है ना,
So what is this
burden
mindset
ही नहीं
like?
है, अब कुछ
मतलब कोई liability नहीं है।
liability नहीं है, चिंता
And
नहीं
again,
करना।
we only have one purpose, right? So we, in some ways, जो संत बन जाते हैं ना, asceticism, you leave behind all material requirements and do this.
That
And
is very true. I think I can relate so much कि वो spiritual side जो होती है वो आपको business में सबसे ज़्यादा दिखानी पड़ती है.
हाँ, और and I would add one thing. Our people, they held themselves like anything. If we managed to overcome those 2 years of challenge, I think it was our people. Of course, you know how stressful that is. So we were unstressed all the
नहीं
time.
देख के लगे नहीं रहा कि
And
आप
and
It's just
our
amazing.
guys, our people, they did not let us feel even a day that because of you we are having problem. And we could not, of course, we were not giving them great salaries. They were, everybody was, just doing it. And they we pulled it off.
But what kept you going? And आपस में आप दोनों का कैसे ये belief रहा? मतलब कि it is because I can imagine अगर I don't have some money to pay salaries, खुद को तो चलो छोड़ दो. But people where we have committed to our employees and our team and they really look up to us and this big vision that we have. So what held both of you together? Because you're saying you sold off everything.
Yeah. So somehow the divine managed the wheel to keep rolling.
See, there are 2-3 things happened at that time. Whatever we had, we sold it. We knew कि इसका रनवे इतना है. उसके बीच में जहाँ बीच में पॉसिबिलिटी हो रही थी, लोन लेना था फ्रेंड्स से, सबसे, उन सब का लोन पहले से बात करके रखा था कि हमें पता था किसी ना किसी दिन तो मिलेगा एंड वी विल पे ऑफ. सो दैट इज नॉट अ चैलेंज. हमारा पैसा ठीक है, हमने जो दिया वो अलग बात है, बट जिससे लोन ले रहे हैं उसको तो हम वापस कर ही देंगे. तो हम लोगों का प्लानिंग ही ये होता था कि जैसे कम से कम 5 महीने का रनवे रहता है, तो उससे पहले हमको और एक लोन हो, कुछ हो, हमको अरेंज करना है. इस बीच में कुछ-कुछ ग्रांट के भी पैसे थे जो पेंडिंग थे, वो भी ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आ गए, वो भी ऐड ऑन हुए और यहाँ पे हम काम कर ही रहे थे. और जो व्हाट कीप अस गोइंग इज़ द ट्रस्ट दैट आवर पीपल हैड विद ऑन अस. लास्ट में तो ये हो रहा था कि ये लोग हम पे इतना बिलीव करते हैं, तो हम इसको तो किसी भी तरह छोड़ नहीं सकते. वी हैव टू मेक इट हैपन. सेकंड इज आवर डॉटर हु ऑलवेज इंस्पायर अस. वो हर तरह से हमको मोटिवेट करती थी कि ऐसा होता है, हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, वी आर टुगेदर, कुछ भी ऐसा डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. थर्ड, बीइंग टुगेदर एंड वी आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है, तो बीइंग टुगेदर इट इज लाइक कि किसी दिन ये डिप्रेस होता है तो उस दिन मैं चीयर अप करती हूँ, किसी दिन मैं डिप्रेस होती हूँ तो वो चीयर अप करता है, क्योंकि थॉट तो माइंड में आएगी कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा.
Exactly.
एक दिन मैं हाइपर हो जाती थी कि क्या होगा, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, तो देन ही वाज नॉर्मल, ही टेक्स केयर ऑफ द एंटायर थिंग. और कभी वो हाइपर हो जाता था तो फिर मैं उसको समझाती थी, तो ऐसे ही चलता था. एंड ये बैलेंस आउट हो जाता है. डिफिकल्ट टाइम तो आएगा ही.
पर कई बार मन में वो नहीं आता कि जैसे वी हैव 10 अभी इतने साल से बिजनेस कर रहे हैं एंड यू सी योर पीयर ग्रुप कि दे हैव डन ऑलरेडी, वो दे वेल प्लेस्ड इन लाइफ, सेटल है, और हम यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम्स ही सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, मनी इज नॉट कमिंग, एंड कभी वो फीलिंग नहीं आती
नहीं,
यार क्यों
वी
कर
ऑल,
रहे हैं?
आई डोंट नो, वी ऑलवेज
हमारे
हमारा
हमारे लिए प्रायोरिटी, एज सुमोना सेड अर्लियर, प्रायोरिटी इज स्टेइंग टुगेदर.
ना. मोर ओवर, सी,
Okay.
व्हेन वी फिनिश्ड आवर पीएचडी फ्रॉम आवर इंस्टीट्यूट, इट इज लाइक कि हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट से सब अब्रॉड जाते हैं पोस्ट डॉक करने. We took the decision, no, we won't go abroad, we will stay back. So we have always been different. So और इस different का challenges भी होता है, at the same time इसका benefit जो होता है ना, वो long term में मिलता है, right?
करेक्ट.
जैसे हमारे स्टेज में there are people who are well settled, but there are people whom we know personally जो well settled थे, but at this stage midlife crisis, भगवान जाने professional crisis, उनका अवस्था हमसे भी खराब है. सो वो एक चीज है कि ऐसा नहीं है कि तो आज जो हम देख रहे हैं वो परमानेंट है. Today we might be having a problem, but maybe in future not. Today they are having a very good life, maybe future में हमारी लाइफ उससे बेटर भी हो सकती है, या एटलीस्ट उनके समान हो ही सकती है. सो ना एनवी करना है, ना जेलस होना है. एट द सेम टाइम माई प्रायोरिटी एंड वॉट इज आवर प्रायोरिटी, स्टेइंग टुगेदर, बीइंग हैप्पी, doing something which we love, and that's what we are doing at Prante.
Yeah, and I can see that very evidently how closely you both guys are bonded, and that friendship and that sense of purpose, which is so evident क्योंकि I'm sure इतनी सारी challenges हैं, difficulties हैं, and so much of learning है क्योंकि आप science करके सिर्फ business is a very different ball game. So वो सारी learnings लेनी है, उनको integrate करना है, एंड फैमिली भी चलानी है, नए शेयर्स को भी हैंडल करना है, फंड भी रेज करना है, सो मेनी थिंग्स, राइट?
हम लोग हमेशा यही बोलते हैं कि अगर जब तितली हुई थी, दोज 45 डेज अगर हम उसको निकाल सके, बिकॉज 960 ग्राम्स हुआ था तो वो बहुत ही छोटी थी. इट वॉज सो डिफिकल्ट. एवरी डे व्हेन वी यूज टू गो टू द NICU, हमें पता नहीं था कि डॉक्टर क्या बोलेगी. वो 45 डेज अगर हम इकट्ठे निकाल पाए, तितली को घर वापस ले आए, और despite being so premature, she is absolutely normal, we could manage that. तो ये तो कुछ भी चैलेंज नहीं है.
Yeah, and I have one additional victory beyond this, is that date. Okay, when I'm getting her, it was a marriage anniversary, first marriage anniversary, when I'm getting her admitted to the hospital for the preeclampsia. उसको देखते ही डॉक्टर उसको आईसीयू में सुमोना को एडमिट कर देती है, एंड आई एम एक्चुअली सिटिंग एट द रिसेप्शन वंडरिंग कि हो क्या रहा है, ये शायद मैं हॉस्पिटल में ले आया हूँ, एंड दे वो बीमारी का बहाना बना के उसको एडमिट कर दे रहे हैं. एंड देन अबाउट 2 hours लेटर द डॉक्टर कम्स इन एंड सेज, गुड दैट यू ब्रॉट हर राइट नाउ. आई एम एक्चुअली लीविंग टुनाइट फॉर अ कॉन्फ्रेंस इन द US. Her condition is such that any delay, if you have delayed it maybe by today or maybe another 6 hours, it would have been very difficult to save her. At least right now we have an opportunity to try and save her. Okay, so, and I'm sitting there on my first anniversary date in the hospital, on the verge of losing Sumona and the child. And finally I was, what can be more difficult than this?
Now you see the reason I told you na कि we don't know what is happening in our body unless and until it has been diagnosed and diagnosed with the biomarkers. So अगर मेरे पास 2 घंटे थे और हमको खुद पता नहीं, being educated, being everything, so how can we expect कि those mothers will get to know that there is a problem unless and until it has been diagnosed and told them कि yes, there is a high risk pregnancy and it should be taken care. Similarly, for the kidney disease, if we don't get to know, and we get to know when the clinical symptoms are so apparent कि आपको डायलिसिस और ट्रांसप्लांट के अलावा ऑप्शन नहीं हो, उतनी देर करने की जरूरत क्या है? वही कि सोच के कि ये सिम्टम होगा तो वो होगा, वो सिम्टम, you have the diagnosis. The only challenge was making it available. It was not available for us, but we are trying. It should not happen to others.
And such a strong purpose you guys have. I think from that, I think, like listening to you people, it feels ki you're the chosen ones ki inke through ye problem world ki solve ho. And I think that is the pain and then the journey of building something which is so meaningful. And I think purpose भी वही होता है कि it keeps calling you back. अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो कौन
कौन
करेगा?
करेगा?
हमें ही we are like, we have to make it happen, and then everybody starts believing in that journey. I also want to know, like, you are partners in life and in business, है ना? So how does that play out in business? मतलब क्या कौन सी चीज़ strength है, कौन सी चीज़ असीम is good at, what are you good at, and कहाँ पे conflict होता है, कहाँ पे how do you manage all of that?
Asim is very good at handling people,
Hmm.
and especially outside people. I am good at handling the people whom I have in my team. He's also good at that. Beside that, there are certain things like finances. I don't understand much finances. Uh, I I'm very passionate about the quality of the product. I am very passionate about particular process that should happen in the production. I am very particular about the things that the packaging should be proper. So those which involves uh, uh,
Precision.
precision,
Okay.
there I'm very particular about. And so I focus primarily in the production, product development, uh, and a bit of HR, regulatory, and IP generation. And since he is very good with the finance and he's very good with the dealing with the people, so he primarily take cares of this the finance part, the marketing and sales, and the investors. So we have divided it like that. So we discuss, but it is for these aspects his decision is the last decision. For the other aspects like production, IP, regulatory, and manufacturing, my decision is the last decision. It is not like that I won't tell him. We discuss, we approve if there is suggestion that is being included, but decision making has been divided so that there should not be, because of ambiguity, there should be any problem in running the business.
Okay, so you're very clearly divided कि this is your thing and this is your thing. But conflict नहीं होते हैं या फिर it doesn't spill down at home?
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होते हैं,
Hmm.
स्पिल डाउन होम में उतना मेजर इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ता है,
Hmm.
बट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स बिकॉज वी वी आर पार्टनर as a husband and wife, but also as a business partner. And as a business partner, it is our responsibility to make the business run, the make maximum profit or maximum revenue, or the best quality of our product should go to the market.
Hmm.
And we are debating for that. There is nothing personal in it.
Hmm.
If he is suggesting, he might be thinking it is the best for it, and if I am thinking that it is not right, he has some other perspective and I have some different perspective, then the debate will be there. But it is not like that I will feel that he is telling intentionally to show that he is the boss.
Hmm.
So it is basically for the product or for the business. It is not to establish the superiority.
I would put it in a way, it's more like scientific criticism. Okay. Like in academia, one scientist critiques the work of another. And in fact, the best of the scientists actually take it positively. Okay. It's a way where you get to see perspectives which you would have otherwise missed. Okay. Get to see holes which are there, but you have not bothered about them. So when we run, and in fact, everything that we do, it runs. So whether it is our personal life or Prante, that's the way our communication actually happens. So everything will be done when we both are confident that yes, all holes have been filled and this is something. Now, another thing which is interesting about us, though, as she said, we stay together almost all the time, and we have grown so habituated of each other. If I go for a travel tour for 4 days also, it becomes very stressful for me. Okay, we just can't survive without each other. It's so dependent on each other. So ये जो क्रिटिसिज्म की वजह से चीज़ों de-risk हो जाती हैं, and since we are debating and this at to the level where we can criticize the object from both directions, the information becomes non-exclusive.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, which means even if I am handling something and maybe today I'm unwell, I'm unable to take care of it, or I'm traveling, I'm unable to take care of it, she can do it equally well. And
Okay.
similarly, if she is not there, that agenda I can handle equally well.
And what is it that, okay, let me reframe this
Hmm.
because थोड़ा तो आप लोग बहुत ज़्यादा sorted लग रहे हो.
नहीं, ये एक्चुअली पीएचडी की ट्रेनिंग
I
है.
am like curious कि इतना sorted कैसे हो सकते हो?
ये शायद हमारा पहले नहीं था. So when we were in a PhD, our bosses, his boss was the director of the organization and my boss was a senior scientist over there. So उससे पहले ये लगता था कि किसी को अगर ऑफेंड किया तो वो तो लंबा चलेगा. तो हम लोगों का जब प्रेजेंटेशंस होता था, साइंटिफिक डिस्कशंस होता था, ही वाज इंटरनेशनल साइंटिस्ट, काफ़ी एजेड भी थे, रिनाउंड थे, बहुत पब्लिकेशंस थे. हमको अगर कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा, हम उनको बोल रहे हैं, उनको वो पर्सपेक्टिव ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, वो डिबेट हो रहा है, एंड लेटर ऑन इफ ही रियलाइज दैट व्हाट आई सेड इज राइट, ही विल कम बैक टू मी एंड से सुमोना यस यू वर राइट, इसको ऐसे ही करना था, आई वेंट थ्रू द लिटरेचर एंड इट इज राइट. सेम हैपेंड फॉर हिम आल्सो.
Yeah. So
So
our
that
bosses actually taught us
that
that
told us कि
it's
वो इतने बड़े होकर भी वो अगर वापस आके मुझको बोल सकते हैं कि, एंड द डिस्कशन किसी का पर्सनल नहीं था, ना मेरा पर्सनल एजेंडा ना उनका पर्सनल, इट इज अबाउट द साइंस और अबाउट समथिंग कॉमन इंटरेस्ट. सो इफ दे कैन कम एंड टेल अस दिस कि ये गलत हुआ है और ये सही करना चाहिए था, तो दैट आई थिंक
Yeah.
somehow shaped that कि
Yeah.
जो भी डिस्कशन होता है इट इज नॉट
तो
पर्सनल.
मतलब criticism को you are moving it towards feedback and discussion rather
हाँ.
than
Yeah.
personal attack नहीं है.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait,
so that
it's
you.
always
But वो तो
feedback.
चलो business में, personal
नहीं,
life
personal
में
life with the
tell
same
me
thing.
one thing that you want कि काश असीम ये ना करता होता. Is there anything like that for असीम?
नहीं, ये नहीं करता होता नहीं बोलूंगी. असीम वो करता है तो स्वीट है, पर एक चीज है जो वो करता है कि वो बहुत भूल जाता है, उसको कुछ याद नहीं रहता है.
So you forget anniversaries and
Oh,
birthdays.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. All the time it
She
happens.
might need to remind me that very day as well.
Okay.
हाँ,
Okay. All
but
right.
that is how he is.
Okay.
अब
And what about Sumo? What would you say कि सुमोना ये नहीं करती होती तो अच्छा था, या ये करती होती तो अच्छा था?
It's very difficult. Sumona is a very strong personality.
That's
Okay.
quite evident. Both of you
She's
are.
a very strong personality, and see, what happens is there are limitations that I have in my thinking, and all through. In fact, that was one of the reasons why I fell for her. She has that ability to give me a very unbiased opinion about things. Okay. And sometimes those unbiased opinions hurt. Okay. कभी तो
But
मेरे
that's the
फेवर में
reason you
बोलो.
fell for her. Oh my God. I want
कभी
to
तो
know
कभी
why
तो मेरे
you-
बारे में बोलो. मेरे फेवर में बोलो. And so yeah, in fact that was actually the reason why I fell for her. Okay. And that has helped.
So tell me more about that कि क्या कैसे ये love story कैसे हुई? What did
वो लव स्टोरी दिल्ली के बसों में धक्के खाते खाते
it
हुई
was
है.
very boring.
It was very boring.
it was very fun.
Yeah. I think we.
But what made you fall for her? I'll come to Sumona also. But आपको क्या? Why
I
did you?
told you what made me fall for
So
her.
the unbiased opinions. Okay.
And
What
she
is one unbiased opinion she's given you?
many on anything and everything. Okay, she would come out, straight face. ये है. You are overthinking.
And
Okay.
you like that?
Yeah, of course, who would like you when somebody says you're overthinking? But then, when you go back and you realize, yeah, I was overthinking. Maybe it's not that serious. Okay.
Oh wow, this is interesting.
Because I had this habit of, taking everything very seriously. I was not a very calm and relaxed person. I would, very perfectionist about things. Okay. But then, over time I realized there's ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's okay. It's okay. You don't need to judge people. You don't need to judge things. Things are happening. You relax. You also have a place in the world. Be
And
happy
why
with
did
your
you
life.
fall
My
for him?
philosophy is
आपने क्या देखा असीम में?
असीम में मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था, मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड था.
Oh my God.
तो उसने प्रपोज किया, तो मैंने कहा एक दिन का टाइम चाहिए भाई, घर में पूछ लूं, उड़िया हो, मैं बंगाली हूँ. सो मम्मी ने कहा नो प्रॉब्लम, तो मैंने कहा ओके नो प्रॉब्लम, मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
तो ये क्लैश नहीं होता उड़िया बंगाली थोड़ा? ये
नहीं,
वाला
नहीं.
क्लैश नहीं
Not
होता?
at all.
बिल्कुल नहीं होता,
बिल्कुल नहीं होता.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
In fact, that's a very sweet part of our marriage. So I get to get very tasty Bengali food cuisine. जब भी बंगाल जाना होता है to my the extended in-laws. The direct in-laws are in Delhi. So Sumana के भैया माँ they were in Delhi. So but the extended in-laws, oh क्या खातिरदारी, and Bengali खातिरदारी is amazing.
And what about home? Like, how do you manage home, both of you? Because your daughter, I'm sure she's seen both of you building business and working and all of that. तो घर पे कैसा equation रहता है?
घर पे मतलब इक्वेशन इन द सेंस कि मैनेज करना अगर है तो मैनेज तीनों मिलके करते हैं. वी आर स्टेइंग विद आवर इन लॉज. अभी नहीं है बट जनरली इन लॉज के साथ ही रहते हैं. तो उतना कुछ प्रेशर नहीं है. जितना होता है वी हैंडल. इट इज ऑल डिवाइडेड एंड माई डॉटर इज नाउ ग्रोन अप. तो अपना तो वो मैनेज कर ही लेती है. सो दैट इज नॉट एट ऑल अ प्रॉब्लम. अदरवाइज अगर इक्वेशन की बात करो तो जैसे इन लॉज के साथ डील करना मेरा काम है. ये चुपचाप ही रहते हैं. और बेटी का है कि बेटी ही इज अ गुड फ्रेंड.
Some part of her life, I am the go-to person. For most of the other parts of life, she is the best
कुछ प्रॉब्लम
person.
है, पढ़ना है, कुछ डिफिकल्ट हो गया है तो वो मेरे पास आएगी. डरती मुझसे बहुत ज्यादा है. मैं जबकि डांटती भी नहीं हूँ, मारती भी नहीं, यही डांटते हैं, लेकिन वो डरती मुझसे है. मैंने अगर कुछ कह दिया तो वही होगा. उसके अलावा वो पूछेगी भी नहीं कि क्यों क्या. मैं कभी डांटती नहीं, पर अगर मैंने उसकी तरफ देख लिया तो जो बोला वही होगा.
Wow.
बस घर में सबका ही वही है. मैं इनफैक्ट मदर इन लॉ फादर इन लॉ मैंने बोल दिया तो वही होगा.
So you are like the decision maker at
हाँ,
home, हाँ?
मैं कभी एनफोर्स नहीं करती हूँ.
वो एनफोर्स नहीं करते. It's just that everybody trusts her. If she has taken the decision, उसे सोच समझ के ये बोला
So in
होगा.
the relationship also, I can see she would be the decision maker.
हाँ
है
हाँ
ना, छुट्टी
ये
पे
होता
कहाँ
है.
जाना है, सुमोना would be
ये तो
deciding.
डिसीजन ही नहीं करना है.
It's delegated it to you.
वो आपको देखिए जो बड़ी बड़ी चीजों के डिसीजन मैं लेता हूँ, छोटी छोटी चीजों के डिसीजन वो
अच्छा, for
लेती है.
example, बड़ी
So,
decision.
देश का इकोनॉमी किस डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहिए, ठीक है, कि वो why America and India is behaving like that. So, उन सब चीजों में मैं डिसीजन लेता हूँ. For everything,
That's
all the
good.
other small decisions,
What are those
she
small
takes
decisions? Yeah.
those decisions.
Anything. घर में क्या आएगा, क्या होगा, कौन सा फर्नीचर आएगा, ट्रैवल में हम कहाँ जाएंगे, कहाँ फ्लाइट बुक होगा, स्टे कहाँ करेंगे, उसकी बुकिंग कौन करेगा, सब मेरा
So
काम.
बड़े डिसीजन आप ले रहे हो, इकोनॉमी
हाँ,
को चला रहे हो.
yeah.
And छोटे okay, all right. So you guys are, you know, wonderful family and I think wonderful partnership and इतने sorted हो. But एक question है कि say 2015 में were you guys इतने ही sorted थे या कुछ advice दोगे अभी to that Aseem and Sumona in 2015 when you started Prante?
Of course, we were.
2015 it was difficult because we came to Odisha leaving Delhi and we were not sure कि हम यहाँ पे एडजस्ट हो पाएंगे कि नहीं, हम कुछ कर पाएंगे कि नहीं. सो वो वाला एक एंजाइटी था. एंड as he was telling you कि वो at that point also he was not that sorted. so वो थोड़ा टेंशन, थोड़ा ओवर थिंकिंग करता था. मेरा था कि मैनेज हो जाएगा. देयर इज नो चैलेंज विच इज बिगर वी कांट हैंडल. सो मेरे को कभी भी टेंशन नहीं होता था. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वॉज एट होम फॉर 5 years. मेरी बेटी होने के बाद से मैंने सब कुछ छोड़ दिया था, घर पे ही थी. सो एक होता है ना कि घर पे रह के वही चीजें करके कभी कभी आप भी थोड़े एंगर इश्यूज आ जाते हैं. मुझे लगता है कि उस समय थोड़ा बहुत आता था. बट एज सच कॉन्फिडेंस उतना ही था. डायरेक्शन बिल्कुल नहीं था कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं लाइफ में. ट्रस्ट था कि कुछ कर लेंगे. चेंजेस में मैं वही बोलूंगी कि एट दैट टाइम अगर जिस तरह का प्लानिंग मैं अभी कर पाती हूँ उस तरह का प्लानिंग कर पाते तो चीज़ें और सॉर्टेड होती और बेटर होता. बट एट द सेम टाइम सबका अपना टाइम होता है. तो आई हैव नो रिग्रेट्स. आई डोंट वांट टू चेंज एनीथिंग. I was happy then, I was happy now also, or maybe I will be happy after 10 years also. Wherever I will be.
What would you, Aseem? What would you say to that?
The same, the overthinking problem. I used to think too much, and therefore that would affect my overall, state of happiness. And I thought of life very linearly. कि ऐसे ही होता है, because everywhere you see life goes linearly. So I would again, if I could go back, I would have told myself to be a bit relaxed.
Bit relaxed. Mhm.
Yeah. And not take everything too seriously and
Mm.
too personally.
Mhm.
And magic happens.
Magic happens. That's beautiful. So, one final question I have for both of you. We talked about entrepreneurship, science, and all of that. But what would you say, like, to someone who wants to do a business and they have some very really innovative idea in science? आप उनको क्या suggestion दोगे कि कैसे करना चाहिए? Because now there is a, like, when we were starting out, उस time पे शायद ये even the word like deep tech was not there, right? Now a lot of people, we see the investors are also like, we want to invest in these kinds of companies and all of that, and there's so much of awareness. ठीक है? What I see missing is like कि वो purpose driven अगर हो थोड़ा, so it will be, what would your advice be to someone who watches this podcast and says, okay, this is what you should be doing if you want to go and be an entrepreneur and build a science driven company?
So my opinion would be, if it is an innovation that you are thinking कि it has a marketability, it can impact uh, maybe the people or the business or something, where you think that your solution can improve it, and you are convinced about it, you have done your part of literature survey, your R&D, and you think that it is doable, then definitely you go for it. uh, Maybe in the beginning there will be hindrances, maybe in the beginning many people won't believe you, but you keep your faith on yourself. If you really trust your innovation and yourself, success will come. It might take time, but success will come.
Asim, you'd like to add?
So, my take would be, very often as humans, we are unable to create a difference between purpose and goal. Okay. Most often, we, again, as I said, we think linearly and we set goals. And that's how, we want to take things ahead. When you set goals, it becomes difficult to do business. Okay. And especially a deep tech business, because here, your number of failures that you encounter in building this business are far more than building a normal kind of a venture. So if you're not driven by a purpose, then you will start doubting your goals.
Wow. So beautifully said. I so much relate to this key. Don't tie yourself to outcomes or goals, You tie yourself to the purpose and what you are doing and why you are doing, right? And you take those intentful actions and let the outcomes will, something much bigger can happen.
Absolutely.
In fact, things bigger than what you thought will happen,
Will happen.
but they'll take time.
They'll take time. And I think building a business is all about, it takes time. You be there in the long term and you keep doing those actions. So thank you so much. I really had a gala for time. So many learnings to take away from both of you. I think be about building business, about your purpose, and the very personal story that you shared. And I think the magic when you believe in yourself, and then the divine also says, okay, I was banking on these guys. इसलिए इनको problem दी थी. Now they are going in the right direction. I think many of us will relate to that, but sometimes problems हम टूट जाते हैं. But in both of you, I see that your bond is so much resilient and driven by purpose, the friendship that you share. So my best wishes to Prante and to the team. And we hope you seeing breaking all barriers, all records, all, lots and lots of best wishes. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks, Jyoti.
Thanks
Thanks
a
for
lot.
inviting us, and moreover, giving us a again recollecting all those
Recollecting memories.
memories.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.